Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and char these boards and show you guys the process. It's gonna be a little bit loud here, so be forewarned. Things been used quite a bit. Sometimes the igniter thingy with gunk on it. Take off the spark plug thingy. I don't know what it's called, but whatever. There we go. I tend to do the ends first. They take a lot of charring. Happens very quickly when it's dry wood, so go ahead and move my torch. Obviously not in the direction the flames are going to go. You'll see here what I was talking about, the angling. Actually ignited, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it real quick. Just enough to put out those flames. Don't really want to get it too wet. And I still have charring to do. But I'll show you here what I'm talking about with the crinkling. You want to get it to the point where it starts to crackle and ripple. So this part, not quite done yet. You can see how it's still smooth, but here it has that nice crinkle crackle look. That's what you want, is burning through the weaker cellulose layer, and I'll go back with a brush and just brush off all that char. this not quite enough, that's perfect. You don't want to go much further than that, otherwise it starts to eat into the actual depth of the wood. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with this. And as you saw, it overlapped and kind of got more of these edges, which is a 3-for-1 for fuel consumption. So I'm going to keep on going here. Edges are getting a little overdone, so I'm actually going to spread the boards up just a bit so I can get the top done without over charring the sides.